Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be sharing a wonderful beef chunk roast. It's prepared in a pressure cooker till tender. It's juicy and falls apart, and it's not as hard as you think. This is the way I've been making a roast. It's quite simple and delicious. Then we'll be making pulled beef burger. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients to make lovely beef chunk roast. To make this recipe, I've got 1 kilo of beef chunk. I've removed the excess fat, washed and kept. To a pressure cooker, add the beef. To this, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of salt, quarter cup of white vinegar, two cups of water, and quarter cup of oil. Mix well and cover the lid. Cook it on the lowest flame for about an hour, or cook until the meat is tender. It should fall apart. It's been cooking for more than an hour. Water is still there. I've added 2 cups of water. This water is from the meat. While cooking, it loses out some water. Wow, check out the meat. It's so tender and it falls apart. Use 2 forks and shred the meat as shown here. To make pulled beef burger, the meat should be dry. Cook it on a medium flame. Let the meat absorb all the water. This will take around 5 to 10 minutes. The meat has absorbed almost all the water. Once it's fully dried, you can store it in the refrigerator and can use for many days. You could also store this in the freezer. Store it in a freezer-friendly container and it stays for many months. This beef is so versatile. It can be used in tacos, burritos, burgers, and many more. It's very simple and full of flavors. You must definitely try it out. This is done. You can make different recipes out of it. I want my meat to be nice and crisp, so into a pan I'm adding 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add the meat and roast it until it's nice and crisp. Meat is so good, nice and crisp. Now turn off the flame. Ingredients to make pulled beef burger. These are burger buns. It's already cut. To one side of the bun I'm adding mustard paste, mayonnaise, this is spicy mayonnaise, and cheese spread. Mix and spread it evenly. To the other half, I'm adding some finely chopped cabbage, some finely sliced onion and gherkins, On top, some roasted meat and a cheese. There you go, pulled beef burger. Have with some tomato ketchup. The meat is so tasty, you can just have it like that. Try this beef roast and pulled beef burger. They are absolutely appetizing. Share it with your family and friends and share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.